Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I have two pairs of shoes for unboxing. As you can see here, they are from Keds and Kate Spade. I'm super excited about these as I had seen these in my wedding planning search and kind of considered them as a potential wedding shoe option. These are my try-ons and first impressions of the Keds Champion Glitter shoes. These are currently on sale at the Iconic Australia. I think it was down to the original price $89.95 plus an extra 30% off with their Winter Frenzy. So that came down to about $58 or so. So I thought that was a really good deal for shoes that originally cost over $100. I have got two pairs here because I think the color that I wanted in the white glitter, the size was only available in a US 5 and I suspected it might be one size too small for me. But I still bought them to give them a try, and I also got the rose gold color in my usual size. So as you can see here, these ones are the white glitter in the US size 5 or Europe size 35 or 22 centimeters, and I think that would make me a European 36. So these white ones might be a little bit too small. So I also got the rose gold one in my usual size. So I will just unbox them now. So it comes in this really cute classic Kate Spade pink, and you just draw it out like that. Even the tissue paper has the spade. I'm not sure if you can see associated with Kate Spade designs as well. And these ones are the white glitter ones, and I think they're so cute, and they will be really bridal as well. The white is a really sort of a clean white, so not an off-white or anything, and I believe that these also do come in a cream color. The rose gold, oh, I'm not sure if it came with a yellow gold, and then there's definitely a multi-colored glitter as well. How cute are the shoelaces as well? So these ones are the satin shoelaces, and they kind of look like ballerina shoes, but inside you also get the normal cotton shoelaces. So I think the shoes are kind of just, they're very classic Champion style canvas shoes with a rubber sole. Yep, no leather. And just got the holes for the shoelaces there and an almond toe shape. I'll open up the rose gold one just to compare what the colors and the sizes. So again, you got the similar Kate Spade wrapping paper, and oh, these are so cute in the rose gold with the pink laces. So with the rose gold pair, the glitter is, yeah, I think exactly a rose gold, kind of pinkish gold, and the shoelaces are a pink satin. So are the cotton shoelaces inside as well, sort of like a dusty pink color. And oh, inside you have the Keds for Kate Spade New York stamping there, and also at the back you have a little Kate Spade logo. I think on the white glitter one it's a silver one, on the rose gold one it's a gold one, and you have the Keds label at the bottom and also on the soles as well. So comparing the two colors, here they are, the white glitter and the rose gold glitter. So I'm trying on the white glitter ones because these are the ones that I was most excited about, and I think they would be so pretty as a bridal outfit or bridal related outfit. And unfortunately I think the US 5 is just a smidge too small for me. I am able to get my feet inside them, not with socks though. I'm not even with no-show socks, but just kind of conscious of a slight pinch there. I do have wider feet as well, so I'm not sure if you have more narrow feet, you might be able to get away with this one. Otherwise I would recommend going for your usual size. But I think they're super cute. They do come across as a little bit more casual, but with an extra sparkle. I was hoping that perhaps they'd be able to match some formal outfits, but I think they are kind of just white canvas sneakers style, but with some glitteriness to them. So I just paired it with what I was wearing this morning. This is one of my new favorite jumpers from Uniqlo. It is 100% new wool and super soft and warm. It's a medium thickness, and of course I love anything in a beige color as well. And these are my go-to skinny jeans. They were from Kmart 2 or 3 years ago, and surprisingly going really strong. Kind of high-waisted. I think this is the shaping skinny one. They come in different colors as well, and I just have the mid blue. So a classic jumper and skinny jeans outfit with these Keds. I really love the satin ribbons. So I've just switched over to the rose gold version, and yes, the size US 6 is definitely much more comfortable for me. The rose gold is also really cute, but I think the white glitter was really the look that I was going for as well. But I think the rose gold would also suit sort of bridal wedding occasion as well. Of course, you know, kind of gives like a champagne feel. The pink is very romantic and cute. I also did see some YouTube videos saying that you can DIY glitter canvas shoes, and it actually looks pretty easy. You can just buy like a pair of plain white canvas shoes. You know, you can go for something really cheap like Walmart or Kmart here in Australia, or you know, whatever white canvas shoes that you might have lying around. I didn't go into details, but they basically either sprayed or gently painted on some glue, adhesive glue, and then sprinkle glitter in the color of their choosing onto the shoe, and then scraped off the bottom of the rubber area there as well, and it's really cute. Look really easy as well, maybe a little bit fiddly, but very doable. One lady also suggested it would be a good a potential hen's party idea as well, making your own glitter shoes, and you can, you know, everyone can pick their own shoes to customize in terms of the color, or you can just also choose the color of glitter, the glitter that matches the color of your wedding theme. I can link some of those videos below if you're interested in doing DIY glitter on your shoes. So I think overall it still feels kind of like a casual shoe outfit with a little bit of jazz glitter as well. I was thinking if I could get away with wearing these glitter flats to work. So I'm going to try on some outfits to see if I can make it work. The first outfit I'm trying on the Keds glitter shoes is just a classic all black outfit. A black cotton rib top, some black pants, and the glitter shoes in white. And I actually think it looks pretty good. You kind of look a little bit casual, but dressed up in the glitter. Comparing to plain white leather sneakers, I don't know, can you tell the difference with the glitter versus the leather versions? Trying them on with the rose gold color now, and I think this makes it look a little bit more casual. The white seems a little bit more formal, I think. In terms of my first impressions of how comfortable these shoes are, I think like any sneakers, they're very comfortable just off the bat. The sole is also nicely cushioned as well, so it doesn't feel too flat, which I think the original Converse Chucks sometimes can feel. And I actually think that these have a little bit of arch support as well. So yeah, very comfortable overall. The next outfit is also one of my closet staples. So again, just a winter jumper. It's cold at the moment, and a pleated skirt. So this one is from H&M, and I love the little pearls on it. I also got it leading up to my wedding, thinking it was very bridal as well. And the pleated skirt is an old one from H&M in the shimmery metallic, and I actually think that looks really cute. Again, I think because they are canvas sneakers, the overall look that you achieve is more of a casual one rather than a formal one, and I will put on heels just to compare. And here is the same outfit with the black suede pumps. I feel like there's just no comparison. It's like you're comparing apples and oranges. The heels just make it look more formal. and the sneakers, which are flats, kind of just make it more casual. So in terms of my little experiment, I think I can't get away with wearing the Keds glitter shoes as a potential work outfit, but I think I would definitely keep them just for day-to-day, you know, everyday casual outfits. Here are the rose gold color ones. Alright, third work outfit, see if I can strike it lucky on the third go, and I actually think this one is not too bad. So for the outfit, I also have another very old top from H&M, just a very classic stripe, white and black striped sweater. This is more lightweight than the other medium weight jumpers that I have for winter, and a simple classic black pencil skirt. And I have the white glitter shoes on, and I think it actually not too bad. I think this still maintains its looking professional, not too casual, and you get to wear flats at work. This one is the rose gold version, and I don't know, maybe it's just too many colors going on, but I think the white glitter looks a little bit better. Let me see if I can try on an outfit to suit these rose gold glitter shoes better than a black and white outfit. And lastly, just showing again what the same outfit looks like with some classic black pumps. So I've gone back to one of the original outfits, the white pearl sweater, but changed the silver coloured pleated skirt for this also rose gold colour one, and I think, yeah, it looks really cute with the rose gold shoes. I think black suede pumps just make any outfit look super formal in terms of like corporate as well. I was trying to emulate a all white outfit, but kind of failing, where the jumper is more cream and the skirt is more white, but also with polka dots as well. But in case you want to kind of see what the white glitter shoes might look like with an all white outfit, this is kind of my attempt at it. So I think, having a think about it, these shoes are really great for everyday casual wearing. If you're thinking about wearing it for your wedding, they would work as well, particularly if you have a long gown that kind of covers it up and it kind of just peeps through as you're walking, and I'm sure they would be very comfortable as well. For something like a bridal shower, these would be fantastic as well, particularly if you're doing something more outdoorsy, where you might be on grass or at the park at the picnic and you don't want to wear any heels, where the heels can sink into the grass, particularly when it's wet. So I think that these are really, really cute, and particularly a really great buy right now on the Iconic with the extra discount. However, if their sizes are selling out, there are other places where you can buy them, and I will share them down in the descriptions below. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found the information useful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments down below, or you can DM me on my Instagram account at Petite Style Diary. See you again in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.